Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and in today's video, I have got some kitchen cleaning and organizing. I am just tackling a few of the cabinets because they're awful and they just need to be cleaned and organized, and a few of the drawers in the kitchen. But right here, I just got some new coffee mugs for the coffee station area. I got these from Burlington, the tall ones. They were $7.99, and then those round ones, they were on sale for $5.09. But I am ready for fall, and I am ready for coffee season. I don't drink a lot of coffee in the summertime. I've never really cared for iced coffee. And then here recently, I've been trying iced coffee, and I've been making it myself, and I've been loving iced coffee. But these cups are going to sit on the bar, so I wanted them to match. So now I'm just going to get this set up, and that's actually a little charcuterie board, like a sushi charcuterie board. I found at Walmart. It was $13, but I thought it would look good sitting by the coffee bar and put some of the syrups and stuff like that on there. And I play around with the cups because I wasn't too sure on how I wanted to do it, but so the little espresso cups, I found those at Walmart, and they were 94 cents a piece, and they had 4 different ones with different sayings on them. So I went ahead and just bought all 4 because I thought they were cute. But so I ended up sticking the espresso cups on top of the espresso machine, and they all just fit perfectly up there. So I can just put the rest of my cups on this board, and I'm loving the way it came out. It just looks so cute. I think this is the way it's going to stay for now. Here are the little espresso cups. I'm just going to put up here for now. Okay, so that is what this cabinet is looking like. That one's actually not bad. This one is really bad. And that one. So, yeah. And this cabinet is really not bad at all. This is where some of my Tupperware bowls go. This is bad, so this needs to be cleaned up and organized. And then this one, need to get rid of a few things. These drawers I'm not messing with because they're not bad at all. I have to make a I had to make a Sam's Club trip and get stuff to refill those. But like, these are fine. I need to refill all of those, which I have to go and get the spices to fill those. But this one's not bad. This one is bad. And then this one is awful as well. And this one. So, we're going to get all of this going and organized.
nights don't get around, but there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us, gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us, gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us, gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us, gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better.
So all of these drawers were just awful. The cabinets are awful, but that little drawer organizer I had in here, those little blue things, the rubber pieces, they do come out, which I love. It makes it for easy cleaning. They just pop out and then you can just pop them back in. And I've had this little over a year and a half now since we moved into this house. But I found those at home, and I don't remember how much they were, but I did find them at home, and I absolutely love these things. They're easy to clean. The rubber stoppers, they just come out, and then you can just dry them and put them back.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do.
So normally I keep a blanket on the back of the couch so you guys don't see that Valkyrie ate it. She ate this one and the other one when she was a puppy. She has separation anxiety so bad. But now she is kennel trained, and but I think I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of both of those couches because me and my husband was asking our son what he wanted for his birthday and for Christmas and everything, and he wants another workout bench, and he has one in his bedroom, and then there's another one on the back porch, but I don't really want to put another one on the back porch because I don't want him going out there working out in the winter because I don't want him to get sick. So, and his bedroom is not that big, and the one that's already in there takes up a lot of room. So, Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and pull both of those out and then just turn the den into the gym. And plus with it being out there, like he has been wanting me and my husband working out with him, but his room is just not that big. So, but by putting it in the den, I think it would be perfect. But his birthday is coming up, so we were asking what he wanted, and y'all, he'll be 18. My baby boy is all grown up. He's got one more year of high school. We held him back, and but we held him back in the first grade, and then we put him in some tutoring, and then after that, he just thrived. But that's why I was just thinking, just putting all of his workout stuff in the den because his friends comes over and they all work out, and his room is just not very big at all. But oh my god, they grow up so fast.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on trying till it bends, still it feels like a pretend.
Okay, that one is cleaned out, but you guys, so I might have a tumbler problem. I got a sublimation printer and tumbler press for Christmas, and I've made all kinds of different tumblers. My mom made that tumbler. She made this one for my daughter, and she also made that one, and then she made this one for my husband.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you.
would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope it gave you guys some organizing motivation. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday and a fantastic weekend. And I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.